It will help you access custom voices tool in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
To access custom voices, make sure you go to the bottom left hand screen and click audio. Scroll to the right until you see the last option, which is a free Capcut Mobile feature, custom voices. Here you can create a custom voice by clicking the plus. You can see you can instantly create your own voices and you can record. Read and agree by clicking the check mark to their terms and agreements and click record. Your microphone is access. Creating candle lights cast dancing shadows on the walls, creating and see this is going to upload on Capcut Mobile. If you're happy or satisfied, you can listen in English. You are listening to your custom voice. Hope you like it. You can listen in Chinese. 探索声音的无限可能，即可开启音色克隆的奇妙之旅。You can change the name of your voice by clicking like so. Once you're happy or satisfied, you can click save. In order to access the custom voice, you want to click on it, the one that you just to explore the infinite possibilities of sound and instantly start the wonderful journey of sound cloning. You can see you will be charged for custom voices, but basically you have 1 credit for 1 character, and click try now. Use the voice by clicking use voice. You can see you can type in whatever you would like that your custom voice to say. Once you're happy or satisfied, you can click apply. When you click, Capcut Mobile will successfully be generating the captions completely for free. Type in whatever you would like.